Choreb Beruach, Sword of the Spirit. Interpreted and narrated by Wendy. Yuchanan, John, Chapter 3. There was a man of the Perushim named Nakademun, a leader of the Yehudim. The same came to Yehoshua by night and said to him, Rabbi, we know that you are a teacher sent from all. For no man can do the miracles that you do except all is with him. Yehoshua answered and said to him, Truly I say to you, except a man is born again, he cannot see the kingdom of the heavens. Nakademun asked him, How can a man be born again when he is old? Can he enter into the womb of his mother a second time to be born again? Yehoshua answered, Truly I say to you, except a man be born of water and the Ruach Kudesh, he cannot enter into the kingdom of all. That which is born of the flesh is flesh, and that which is born of the Ruach is spirit. Do not marvel because I said to you, you must be born again. The wind blows where it wants, and you hear the sound of it, but you cannot tell where it comes and where it goes. So too is everyone who is born of the Ruach. Nakademun responded and said to him, How can these things be? Yehoshua answered and said to him, Are you a rabbi of Yeshariel and do not know these things? Truly I say to you, we speak what we know, and we report what we have seen, yet you do not accept our testimonies. If I tell you earthly things, but you do not believe, how will you believe if I tell you heavenly things? Furthermore, no man ascends up to the heavens unless he came down from the heavens. The Son of Man is in the heavens. And like Moshe lifted up the serpent in the wilderness, so too the Son of Man must be lifted up, that whoever believes in him will not perish but have eternal life. For all so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whoever believes in him will not perish but have everlasting life. For Eluah did not send his Son into the world to condemn the world, but that the world might be saved by him. He who believes on him is not condemned, but he who does not believe is condemned already, because he does not believe in the name of the only begotten Son of Eluah. This is what condemns. Light has come into the world. However, men love darkness rather than light, because their deeds are evil. Because everyone who does evil hates the light, nor comes to the light, or else his deeds are corrected. But he who does truth comes to the light, so that his deeds, which were done with all, are revealed. After these things, Yehoshua and his Talmudim went into the land of Yehuda, and there he stayed with them and immersed. Also, Yuchanan was immersing in springs near Shalem, because there was a lot of water there. Thus they came and were immersed. For Yuchanan was not cast into prison yet. Then a question about purification arose between the Yehudim and the Talmudim of Yuchanan. So they came to Yuchanan and asked him, Rabbi, he who was with you beyond Yarden, of whom you bear witness, behold, the same immerses, also all who come to him. Yuchanan answered and said, A man can receive nothing except it is given him from the heavens. You carry my testimony that I said, I am not the Mashiach, but that I am sent before him. He who has the bride is the bridegroom. However, the friend of the bridegroom who stands and hears him rejoices greatly because of the bridegroom's voice. Therefore, it is the fulfillment of my joy. He will be raised up, and I will be Lord. He who is of the earth is earthly, and speaks of the earth. He who comes from the heavens is above everything. And what he has seen and heard, that he testifies. But no man accepts his testimony. However, he who has accepted his testimony is sealed, because all truly exists. For he who Yahweh has sent speaks the words of Yahweh. For all does not give the Ruach by measure. The Father loves the Son, and has given everything into his hand. He who believes on the Son has everlasting life. However, he who does not believe the Son will not see life. Instead, the wrath of all abides upon him.